Hi, my friends. Are you also struggling about exercising? One year you are slim, thin, you have perfect body, and another year you are overweight? If yes, then I have been also there. You're not alone. I completely understand you. My name is Mariam Akbari, and in this tutorial, I will show you how you can, with 5 easy ways, change your mindset about exercising. The first way is that you change your definition of exercising. I remember when I was a child, I had always this mindset that for me, the perfect purpose or goal of exercising is to lose weight and be always slim. It's not only the mindset that it came to my mind, but also the culture I came from. For example, from my friends, I was hearing, my family always, I was hearing that you're slim or you're fat, you need to lose weight, and a woman should have a slim body to be perfect. So I always had a struggling in my mind that I should lose weight for a short period of time to have a perfect body. And this struggle has been like for a couple of years. But after learning and reading a lot, I changed my mindset. Today my mindset, my thinking is not that I lose weight, I don't want to be slim or thin. My thinking or my purpose, my focus is to feel strong every day. So whenever I wake up early morning, I want to feel completely energized. I want to feel excited and want to feel that I have energy to be productive the whole day. So with this mindset, I exercise and it feels really good for me. So how does it work for you? First of all, you need to think what is your definition of exercising. When you think about exercising, what it comes in your mind, and you can change it. If it is boring for you, then you can change it. You just think that if it is really true about exercising, and when you think about it and you have a new definition, that it will be completely different when you want to exercise. This is the first way. The second way is to set small goals. Listen, you cannot become a champion or athlete in one day. And I'm sure it is not your goal either. You want to maybe be fitted, in shape, or you feel strong in your life. So here, the first thing is to set small goals. Just 5 minutes in a day, you can exercise. What is the most important things here? To be consistent and persistent. You should commit yourself that you will do it every day. And when you do it every day until it becomes a habit, then it will become like automatically you want to do it every day yourself. And after these small goals, you can set bigger and bigger goals. The third thing is that you need to learn how your body works when it is related to exercising. We are different kind of human beings and we have different metabolism. Maybe the same exercise you do doesn't work for another person if that person do the same exercise. The result will be completely different. So here you need to learn as soon as possible about both your diet and also your exercising. You can maybe find a friend that knows more about you, or learn or search a bit how does the body works when it is related to exercising. Learn about sugar, nutrition, sugar, fat, and how these ones works in the body, how much calorie you should burn, how much calorie you should gain. These all things can be very helpful when you set a goal and you want to reach that point for having a perfect body or a good fitted body, shaped body. The fourth thing is that most of us are very for us it's very difficult to be motivated and do exercising every day, but one way can be this, that you start with the end in your mind. Think about the result. For example, when you are not so motivated to exercise, think about the result in your mind and see after exercising how much you are motivated, how much you are energized and excited the whole day. It helps you to get motivated and get it done and to do your workout. This is one way that it can be helpful for your mindset. So do it and let me know if it worked for you. The last step I want to tell you is that you don't need to do all these things alone. Find a partner or a friend and do this workout or exercising together. It helps you with both motivation and also learning from each other in this process, in this journey. So also it will be very helpful that how your body works when you do exercising. So answer me, these are the all 5 ways. Answer me one question. What is your goal when it is about exercising today? What is your goal for today? Are you committed to do the exercising every day until it became a habit? What is your definition of exercising? Let me know and I would be happy to answer you. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up, and if you have any question, I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Until next week, have a lovely day and see you next week. I love you all. Bye.